Good morning, TikTok. Today we're doing stair replacement. I already pulled these out, so I should probably show you what they looked like to start with. I'll put a photo up at the beginning. This board down here has got some rot to it, so I have to get that sealed up. This is the board I took out, so what a genius idea this was. They should put the carpet all the way through, both sides, to make sure to hold the moisture real good. So, alright, well, that board's rotted, so that's gone. There's a board for the surface. We'll do a two-part video of this. We use these to seal it up, hold stuff in place. And as you can see, there's some water damage in here. Not rotten, still solid, so I'll seal that a little better. But yeah, I'll bring it along. Okay, so I'm gonna seal the front door area with this. I was gonna use the insulating foam, but I think it might be a bit too much. So I'll take this, screw it down along here. There's a huge gap all the way through, and then that will seal that up. I'm probably gonna put a little bit along the back side over here as well. Just kind of getting closed up, stops some of the breezes from coming through. Alright, so I thought I was closer than I was to being ready to start. All these, you probably can't see crap, the stupid sun. But all up along underneath here are more staples. Thousands and thousands of staples. I already pulled these 100 yesterday. These are still there. Still have them all up underneath over here. All on there. Yeah, see water damage, probably from the sink overflowing or something. I get all them out. I had to cut the carpet from the edge. So I have stripping that'll go on the side here to cover this. So that way I don't have carpet hanging down here looking all stupid. Those are not speakers. Those are vents. There's a speaker. Alright, go back. Alright, here we go. I listed a new helper. Guess who it is? Whoa! It's my baby! It sucks! Look at her, just wanted to be involved. Did grab that little foot. Did I grab that little foot? Yeah. Alright, she ain't much help. She's just in the way, but still love her. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Alright, get your measurements, make sure they're right. I've been writing them down on here because, well, I keep losing everything. Well, my third tape measure. I'm only working in a small area. I don't know what happened. Anyway, there is what I need to cut. That there. That's going to be my sides. These are some of the tools I've used so far. And I'm sure there will be more, because every time I turn around it's something else. This was not a quick, easy, bam, bam, done. Alright, we made progress. Got the sides in. Got the brat right here who doesn't want on camera because she sucks at carpentry.
What?
Little brat. Nothing. Alright, so we got the backings in. This is what it's going to be. It's actually a life-proof vinyl or whatever. Had to cut this down to 10 inches. A nice good sharp edge here to that rounded crap you'll see in the picture in the end, before and afters. Good pointer. Don't use self-leveling caulk in the wall. That was a dumb idea. Anyway, it's going to be underneath the wood. Nobody's going to see any of this anyway. Got to cut a piece to fill in the gap and put these two boards on, and it is pretty much done. I'm still waiting on the stair nosing for this to come in. So, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so we're almost done. You can kind of see it there. That big bent piece is actually holding the trim in place. I got that some sealant on the back. I'm going to stain those a little darker and put some clear coat on them. I want to do it in place so it seals it against the wood. There's my edges. There's the bottom. The sun's still kind of shining, so you probably can't see too much. Me blocking anything ain't helping nothing either. Yeah, that's it so far. I do have more of this trim, kind of oak style trim. I'm going to put along this edge here to finish that up. And I sealed this shut with self-leveling silicone. So I'll put another strip along the edge of that too, so you won't see any of that either. And we'll have the same edging, like I said, as this here. Again, I can't see what I'm showing because my phone sucks in the sun. But yeah, but just like that. So yeah, that's my steps. Finished product. And look who's here. It's Dummy Dog. It's a Dummy Dog. Wag, 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 wag. Where's Squirrel? Get Squirrel. Come on, Squirrel. Where's it? Get it. Get it. Get it. Yep, she's lazy. Been chasing Squirrel all day. Well, yeah, this is part of the mess. I did use birch. I didn't go with plywood or nothing. Got some nice solid birch pieces there. There's the rotted one. We tried messing with it. Wasn't really worth even trying to use. Got some of the tools put away. Stuff from my other projects. I did not spray waterproofer on there, but I siliconed the crap out of it. So there will be no water going down below. Liquid nails underneath. Yeah, it's alright. Hope you like it. There, we got some shade now. You got a better idea what it looks like. Bam! Not bad for old RV. Alright, thanks for watching.